I'm not a master holder in consistency. Neither do I have PhD in consistency. There are a lot of people that are PhD holders in being consistent. We are still learning. But anyway, I just came to share my own journey, how I've grown a little, because before now, consistency was very far away from me. Very, very far. Like there is nothing I could think of before now that I would say I'm consistent in yet. But right now, at least there's one thing I feel like I've done for the past 1 month consistently. So I think that's a thumbs up for me. So how did I start? When you want, I started with the little things, because sometimes when we give ourselves challenges, as in we give ourselves some things that, see, don't try to be consistent in a lot of things at the same time. That's my number one advice. Yes, because I was trying so hard. I need to be here, I need to be here, I need to be there, I need to be here. It was overwhelming. What did I do? I started with one thing, and that one thing was a very simple thing. What was that? Habit of drinking water every morning, right? It looks minor. What's there? What's the big deal? You know what I learned? When you learn how to be consistent in one thing, it's easy for you to now start channeling into other things. So drinking water was the simplest. Your own could be wake up and dress your bed. I know many of you not dress your bed. So don't say it's a small thing. If it's a small thing, why have you not been doing it? Anyways, so you could just say, I want to be consistently dressed, make my bed every morning I wake up. So every morning you wake up, you make your bed. Every morning you wake up, you make your bed. For you, you think you are wasting time. But when you do it intentionally, they say any habit you do for 30 days, right? Anything you do for 30 days becomes a habit. So consistently dress your bed for 30 days. It becomes a part of you. So you're not doing anything. What's the connection between dressing bed and probably showing up early to work or something? It might look mini. It might look like it's not making sense, but just start with that little one, that very little. Me, I started with drinking water. Like every morning I wake up, I drink water. Every morning, I know drinking water in the morning is a therapy for me, right? It's something like. But when I put mine, I know once it starts, it becomes a problem. Normal before now, I drink water usually, but when I try to use it to build a consistency habit, and I used to forget to drink the water, but I have to be intentional. So we wake up every morning. You could give yourself time, maybe every 6 o'clock if you want to go to the extreme, or you could just leave the time so you don't discourage yourself. But first thing in the morning, you drink water. First thing in the morning, you drink water. Do it for like 30 days, 2 months. By the time you gain consistency in that one that looks as if it's nothing, then you move to the next step of something else. Let's say you start with drinking water. When you've mastered the art of drinking water every day, you can move to making your bed. Master it every day. You move to the one of probably you must sweep your house, a particular place every day. By the time you're done with that one, you move to the one of probably you must wake up earlier than before. Just keep moving little by little, little by little. Once you have done 2 to 3 things consistently, automatically you see yourself, you will try and start being consistent in other things. But by the time you want to do everything, I need to be consistent in this, I need to be consistent in this, in my workplace, in my marriage, in my family, you will overwhelm yourself, be coming down. Yes. So just start gradually. This is just me encouraging you. I'm still on the journey because this consistency thing, many times you wake up, you don't feel like it. But we move regardless. So I'm ready for you. Let's pay the price to be consistent, because consistency is a key. Key. We must build it, whether we like it or not. As painful as it looks, we must build it. So I'm rooting for you as I'm rooting for myself, because I'm still on that journey. So see you at the top.